WRAL Investigates has learned a Durham Assistant District Attorney came out to speak with police after a legal assistant in their office was pulled over for drunk driving. This happened earlier this month. WRAL's Sarah Kruger is here with new information from records and the DA's office. Sarah?
Gerald, within the last 3 hours, we learned that the assistant DA who came to the scene is in charge of overseeing all traffic violations in the county. That would include DWIs. We learned about this situation from tips from viewers who thought it was not appropriate that the ADA went out there.
There's no mugshot and no office photo for Josiah Wilkerson, the legal assistant charged earlier this month with DWI and resisting an officer. The clerk in the courthouse says the paperwork is missing. A crash report released by the Highway Patrol reveals new details about the late-night wreck on August 10th on US 70 at Pleasant Drive. It shows Durham County District Attorney's Office legal assistant Josiah Wilkerson crashed into the back of another car going 45 miles per hour, causing a chain reaction. The report says 2 people were taken to the hospital with minor injuries, and it reveals Wilkerson's blood alcohol content was 0.09. A driver is considered impaired at 0.08 or above. WRAL Investigates has learned after the crash, Assistant District Attorney Monica Burnett came to the scene and talked with the responding officers. Some have reached out to WRAL questioning the appropriateness of that. In her role as the lead district court ADA, Burnett oversees all traffic cases. In an email, a spokesperson wrote that the prosecutor came after Mr. Wilkerson called and rightly notified her of the situation as a supervisor in the office. She spoke to the officers on scene, inquired about his well-being with his mother, and left. The spokesperson declined to elaborate beyond that. It is not clear what was said in the conversation with law enforcement.
The Durham DA's office referred this case out to the Orange County DA. Wilkerson is due in court for his charges in October. Gerald.
Sarah Kruger in our studio. Thank you, Sarah.